What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while if you guys have been with me for a while, but today we are having Manhattans.
Some people don't know what those are.
If you guys don't know what a Manhattan is, it is just gravy, mashed potatoes, turkey, and bread. That's what a Manhattan is, and we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat for you guys. This is Judy, by the way.
Yeah.
She has been in another video, two videos actually, one with ramen and one where we did the Burger King new chicken sandwich tryout. So, but oh my god, I'm so hungry. We've not done a mukbang in forever. I feel extremely bad about not having a mukbang done, but things have been getting in the way. Been a lot of stuff going on, been a lot of moving around, been a lot of having to take care of other people, things like that. So, been a lot of stuff happening. Now, before you guys ask in the comment section down below, I am going to do the 2-liter challenge next video, and she's going to join me. Do you even know what the 2-liter challenge is?
Nope, but I'll do it.
The 2-liter challenge is, I guess, where you try to drink an entire 2 liters of pop in one sitting without belching.
I have acid reflux. I don't know how well that's gonna go.
But everybody's wanting me to do it. And next video, we're going to have to do it. We're going to have to do it so that we can get it out of the way. Because this has been requested for like the last 6 months or so. And I've just been not able to have the time to do it. I say as I'm actually eating a Manhattan for you guys. But it's coming. Don't worry. And also, spicy ramen noodles is coming as well. So stay tuned for that. Not the 2 times spicy, because screw that. May do that as a challenge at so many of a mile mark, like maybe 5,000 subscribers if I ever reach that. But do the 2 times spicy ramen noodles at 5,000 subscribers. I think that would be fair. But yeah, spicy ramen. Oh, there you go. There you go, dropping it. Spicy ramen. We have napkins, by the way. Spicy ramen noodle challenge after the 2 liter of pop. Maybe after the 2 liter of pop. I gotta drive like an hour away just to get the spicy ramen noodles. So there's that. Good Lord, you're destroying that.
I'm hungry.
The plates are as big as our heads, and she is like ripping through it. She is starving. I'm just trying to not make a mess of myself right now. That is what I'm trying to not do. But it is so good. Very simple recipe, very easy to follow. Very good. I'm dropping food too, so don't feel bad, Judy. So you know, I'm at like 941 subscribers. That 100 chicken nugget challenge is coming up, dude.
Oh god.
That 100 chicken nugget challenge is
I still
coming
say
up.
I'm gonna starve myself for like 2 days.
You're gonna starve yourself for 2 days so that you can do it. Yep. 1,000 subscribers, guys, and we will do the 100 chicken nugget challenge. I'm so ready for it. I'm so ready to eat 100 McDonald's chicken nuggets. Are we gonna do McDonald's chicken nuggets? Those are the best chicken nuggets in my opinion.
They're gonna hate us. Yeah, can I get 200 chicken nuggets?
Yeah. That's gonna cost, what, probably $40 or something?
Yeah.
Just roll up through the drive-thru. Yeah, I'd like 200 chicken nuggets. Or, excuse me? 200 chicken nuggets? Are you sure? Yes. You don't mean 20? No, I mean 200 chicken nuggets. And then we pull up to the window, and it's just us two in the car for 200 chicken nuggets. Oof, excuse me.
They're mostly gonna hate it because they're gonna have to count 200 chicken nuggets.
Yep. They're gonna have to sit there and count 200 chicken nuggets. They're probably gonna... That's probably something we should probably go in for and not through the drive-thru, now that I'm thinking about it. Would they announce that, though? Would they announce, like, 200 chicken nuggets? Or would they announce the order number? Like, what would be going on there?
If they're like, 200 chicken nuggets, everybody would be like,
what the fuck?
They'll just see me, like, walk up there and be like, oh, thanks.
Thanks. Are you having a birthday party or something? No, we're having a mukbang.
No, I'm gonna eat it by myself.
I'm gonna eat it by myself. Oh.
Too many potatoes. For me.
Too many potatoes.
Yeah. I don't really like mashed potatoes, like, in huge portions.
Yeah. Well, I just divvied it up evenly between 3 people, so.
Yeah.
I have got gravy all over my fingers. I know I said that there's napkins right there, but I'm not using them. Oh, I'm getting so full.
Give me the turkey.
I'm surprised your acid reflux have you had more burps yet.
Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised too, because I've been like chugging that pop.
Yeah. Excuse me. Yay! It's a little burp. Yay!
Bio, you want to be part of Mukbang? I give you some potato.
That probably didn't catch him in the camera, but
I gave my dog some potatoes.
I'm almost done.
Not a lot, because I know it'll make him sick.
But just enough for him to be like, I want more, Mom. And then Mom be like, no.
No.
No, 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 no.
It's starting.
It's starting. It's starting. The belching is starting.
I wonder if anyone from like where I went to high school and stuff has seen like the drawings I did with you, and they're like, so that's what Judy's doing with
So
her
that's
life.
what Judy's doing with her life now. I imagine people from high school have seen my first channel where I do reaction videos.
Yeah.
They're so good.
Jesus.
Yes, my child.
Oh god.
I have a little bit left, but I have a little bit left, but I'm not going to do it anymore. So anyway, we are done eating. Thank you guys so much for watching. My belly's so upset now. I have so many more burps I have to do.
Just never ends.
It just never ends now. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys happen to like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on that bell notification. Make sure to turn on all notifications so you guys never miss a future upload or video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!